Did you know that each year, millions of people around the world fall ill due to foodborne diseases? Imagine the entire city of New York, bustling and vibrant. Now picture every single person there feeling under the weather. That's the scale we're talking about each year. So, what exactly is food poisoning? At its core, food poisoning is an illness caused by consuming contaminated food. Infectious organisms, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites or their toxins, are the most common culprits. These unwelcome guests can sneak into food at any point during its production, processing, or cooking. Now, how does one recognize the signs of this uninvited diner? Symptoms of food poisoning can vary, but typically include nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps, and diarrhea. In more severe cases, individuals might experience fever, chills, and bloody stools. These signs can start as early as 1 hour after eating tainted food, or might not appear until several days later. It truly is a bit of a waiting game, but with much higher stakes. Preventing food poisoning starts with proper food handling. Wash hands and surfaces often, separate raw meats from other foods, cook to the right temperature, and refrigerate promptly. Simple steps, profound impact. In summary, food poisoning is an illness resulting from eating contaminated food, characterized by symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. Remember, prevention is key, and it begins with awareness and proper food safety practices. Keep those kitchens clean, cook thoroughly, and stay vigilant about what you eat. After all, better safe than sorry when it comes to what's on your plate.